Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Learn with Batul. Today I'm going to tell you about Astaghfar. The reality is all human beings make mistakes, all of us, and these mistakes can be of any kind. Things that we do that we should not have done, things that we say that we should not have said, things that we earn that we should not have earned, wrong that we did with ourselves, wrong we did with somebody else, and wrong we did before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At this point, Iblis comes to us. At this point, notice that Iblis comes to us and says, listen, I know you have made a mistake, but come on, it's understandable, it's logical, it's okay. Allah understands. Don't worry about it. Everybody makes mistake, so it's okay. So Iblis' first job is to come and tell you don't need to feel sorry because your mistake was logical. So you see, this is the Iblis line of thinking. Adam's line of thinking is Rabbana zalamna anfusana. You know what that means? That means we did wrong to ourselves. We admit it. I'm not going to hide behind my excuses, my anger, or my temptation, or my weaknesses, or my forgetfulness. There can be a lot more excuses, but that's not the way of Adam alayhi salam. Human beings are very good at making excuses. All human beings. And where did all these excuses come from? Iblis. Obviously Iblis. Because there is one thing Iblis does not want. He does not want you to say with your heart, Astaghfirullah. He does not want that. Because once Adam alayhi salam was sent to the earth, Allah told him, now that I'm sending you to the earth, you will need guidance. You will need guidance. And whoever follows my guidance, they won't have to worry. They won't have to fear. They won't have to be sad. Now listen carefully. The first guidance Allah sent to this earth. Allah gave Adam alayhi salam words by means of which he turned back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asking for his forgiveness. So, you see, asking for Allah's forgiveness was the first guidance given to humanity. Now, where does the story of humanity ends? On Judgment Day, isn't it? And on that day, believers are trying to make their way to Jannah. Some people had a lot of faith, so they have a lot of light coming out of their chest and right hand. And on the other way, some people had a little bit of faith, so they have a little bit of light coming out of their chest and right hand. And if you have a lot of light, so you know where to go. And if you have a little bit of light, you will take each step very carefully, one step at a time. And what will they say? This is the last dua human beings will ever make in Surah At-Tahrim. O Allah, please complete our light. Let this light not run out until we make it to the gates of Jannah. And forgive us. Forgive us. So you see, the first dua was forgiveness and the last dua was also forgiveness. The guidance of Allah begins and ends with seeking forgiveness. And that's the importance of seeking forgiveness.